Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your OneDrive keeps popping up or taking up unnecessary space on your PC, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to completely remove Microsoft OneDrive from Windows 11 in just a few quick steps. No confusion, no technical jargon. Let's jump straight in. First, right-click the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Once you're inside Settings, look at the left sidebar and click on Apps. Then on the right side, choose Apps and Features. Now, in the search box under App List, type 1. This will instantly bring up Microsoft OneDrive. When it appears, click the three-dot menu next to it and select Uninstall. A small warning message will pop up. Go ahead and confirm the uninstallation. If a user account control prompt appears, click Yes to continue. After a few seconds, OneDrive will be completely removed from your system. It's that simple. Now, here's an important note. Your OneDrive folder and files won't be deleted when you uninstall the app. You can still access them by opening File Explorer, then navigating to this PC, local disk C:users, your username, OneDrive. If you want, you can move those remaining files to a safer place like your desktop or documents folder. That way, you keep your important files but remove OneDrive completely from your computer. And that's it. You've successfully removed Microsoft OneDrive from Windows 11 quick and clean. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more easy Windows guides every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.